What's the meaning of cathartic? Cathartic. Cathartic.
Cathartic. Cathartic. The word cathartic refers to something that brings emotional relief or releases pent-up emotions. It describes a feeling of emotional release, as if a heavy burden has been lifted. Engaging in cathartic activities can lead to a sense of clarity and renewed energy. For example, crying can be a cathartic experience that allows someone to express their emotions fully and feel better afterward. Similarly, writing in a journal or talking to a trusted friend about one's feelings can have a cathartic effect. Ultimately, catharsis allows individuals to process complex feelings and move forward in a healthier way.